I'm looking for like ideal tenders. We're gonna dip it. It needs to be really eggy. You know how to make fried chicken. If you don't know how to make fried chicken, this is how you make fried chicken. We're gonna throw it in there. Should result with is a perfectly breaded chicken. Perfectly breaded.
Yep.
And then we're gonna
put that in the fryer.
Put that in the fryer.
Get that stuff frying up. And you wanna just repeat the process with that.
Remember, I'm picking ideal tenders.
Cook about 3 or 4 at a time.
3 or 4 at a time. You got a big old pan, dude. You can do 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I just bought some chicken. You totally got me lazy chicken. You see that perfectly breaded chicken?
Looks great, dude. And then you should repeat the process with more chicken. Go.
Really quick, for the sauce. But before you toss.
Before you toss the sauce.
Before you toss, you want to make your sauce. And you don't want to do, you want to use some Franks. And it's really simple here. You're going to use some Franks. You're going to take half a stick of butter. Boom, half a stick of butter. Boom. You're going to take it. You're going to throw it in a little pot like this. You're going to melt it down. Boom.
Yeah.
Melt it down. Let that melting.
Put it on max. Wait.
Put it on max. Just melting. Melt that down.
Get it melted. Get it melted. Now what?
You want to melt that down. You want to add some red hot.
Some red hot. It's the best one. It's the best one. But you can use other if you prefer it.
Yeah, you can do the butter.
Whatever, but we prefer this.
You can do whatever sauce you want. This is the best sauce.
Sauce up, dude. Get it sauced up. There you go.
They put butter in it, but not enough.
Alright, then what? That's it?
Then it takes its own.
And then you just let that cook?
And then you let that simmer.
Alright.
You let that simmer, let that mix all in, and then when you got a nice buttery consistency, you just see some butter in there. Good to go. Alright, so we just took those ones out, and now we're just gonna repeat the process.
Done with all the wings.
I'm gonna go underneath of them. Our sauce perfection right here, okay? Well, I'd like to do a huge bowl, a big old silver bowl.
We don't have one, unfortunately.
Unfortunately. Like you toss salad in,
Yeah, like the big silver bowls.
and you toss it.
It don't have to be silver, of course, but like,
It don't have to be silver. They're usually silver.
yeah.
Anyway, we're just gonna dunk it like
This is all of the.
But see, the thing is, I don't know how to use that sauce in like the butter ratio for this. So, there should be one more.
One more?
Yeah, one more. And then what we're gonna do, take our bowl of sauce.
Look at that. Looks good, bro. Oh, I just put it on there. Oh, a little extra.
You gotta let it sit in sauce. If we don't sit in sauce, I don't know.
That's fire.
What you gonna try Joe's wings out, I guess? That's a good one.
Tenders.
Oh, my bad. Tenders, bro.
That one's a good one. That one looks good. That's juicy. Ooh, I feel the heat. Now you gotta.
That is delicious, though.
Not about, you know, for quality, you know. How good?
Taste and stuff?
Yeah, taste. How good are they? 1 to 10.
That one could have been a little crunchier, but 8.7. Highly recommend. Please do this. If you like wings, do it.
That's fire, huh? So good, bro, honestly.
No one likes
Get the
my
dip.
chair.
I highly recommend that.
Right.
We both made some fire, dude.
Give my chair
Yeah, bro.
back there again.
And now we're gonna film the podcast after we eat, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is gonna be on my channel and Joe's channel. 2 parts. My part is gonna be on my channel, Joe's part is gonna be on Joe's channel. And if you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe to Joe's channel, subscribe to my channel. Comment what you want to see us cook next. Burgers, anything, pasta. We'll cook whatever, bro. Anything to say?
No spicy.